So today we'll do revision. Okay, so most of your portions for semester 1 exam is completed. So we'll do the revision. So today I will give you revision of chapter number 3, that is Earth and its living world. Okay, so maximum questions I will give you from that chapter. So it will be helpful for you. Okay, so be ready with your book and pen. So I will type the questions. Write down the questions. First, fill-ups. Is my screen visible?
Yes.
Okay.
No. No.
No? Bhavya,
I cannot see.
but Ali Hassan can see. Do one thing, you left and rejoin again.
Okay.
A vast continuous stretch of land is called dash. A vast continuous stretch of land is called dash. Second question. The land on earth is divided into dash continents. Third one. Dash is the largest continent. First, note down the questions. Afterwards, I will give you time to write the answers. Okay. Yes, Bhavya, can you see it now?
Yes.
Okay. Dash is the smallest continent. Fifth one. Ocean water is dash. Sixth one. There are dash oceans. There are dash oceans. Seventh one. The land along the margins of an ocean is called the dash region. The land along the margins of an ocean is called the dash region. Eighth one. Dash are smallest forms of
water streams. Dash are smallest forms of water streams. Then a river cascades down a sudden drop to form a river cascades down a sudden drop to form a dash. Next question. A water body formed by water collecting naturally in a low-lying area of land is called a dash. A water body formed by water collecting naturally in a low-lying area is called a dash. Okay. Next, as we go higher from the Earth's surface, the air in the atmosphere becomes dash. Twelfth one, the atmosphere consists of a mixture of dash. Thirteenth, almost all the water vapor in the atmosphere is contained in the dash. Write this much. Once you copy down these questions, start writing the answers. Okay, then we'll discuss it. Then I will give you the remaining questions. One more I will give. In the lower part of the stratosphere, in the lower part of the stratosphere, there is a layer of a gas called dash. Once this much is over, raise your hand. Okay, Bhavya, is it finished? If you cannot reply, please send me text in the chat box. Yes, Bhavya, are you there? Is it over? Okay, so let us start discussing the first question. So the first question, yes, Ali Hassan, read out the question.
A vast continuous stretch of land is called dash.
What is the answer? A vast continuous stretch of land is called dash. Who knows the answer? Yes, Ali Hassan. Don't know the answer. A vast continuous stretch of land is called dash. Yes, Ali Hassan. Am I audible? So what is the answer? A vast continuous stretch of land is called. So what is the answer? A vast continuous stretch of land is called dash. Yes. Yes or no? Do you know the answer? Yes, you know the answer? Yes or no? Ali Hassan, I can't hear you.
No, teacher.
No? Why no? See, we have learned that a continuous stretch of land means ऐसा land, ऐसा पूरा stretch हो रहा है, तो वो पूरा एरिया को क्या बोलते हैं? एक पूरा लैंड, सपोज अभी अर्थ है, अर्थ के ऊपर, अर्थ में लैंड है, तो वो लैंड ऐसे पूरा स्ट्रेच हो रहा है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इंडिया, इन एशिया, एशिया का जो लैंड है वो पूरा स्ट्रेच हो रहा है, तो वो एक वहाँ एक कंटिन्यूअस स्ट्रेच है, तो वो एशिया को हम क्या बोलते हैं?
The continents.
Yes? Continents. Very good. So, what is the answer? A vast continuous stretch of land. Another example, अगर ऑस्ट्रेलिया लिया, तो ऑस्ट्रेलिया का जो लैंड है वो पूरा स्ट्रेच है, तो वो पूरा स्ट्रेच हुआ, वो जो फैला हुआ लैंड है वो एक एरिया मानते, एक कॉन्टिनेंट मानते. अंडरस्टूड? सो continent means a vast continuous stretch of land. clear? So the answer
Yes,
is continent. So the answer is continent. Okay, now the land on the earth is divided into dash. The land on
In
the
7 continents.
7 continents. Yes, very good. So do you remember the names of the continents?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, tell me, which are the continents?
A vast, a continuous spread of land is called continents.
Yes, which are the 7 continents?
Asia, Africa,
Yes.
North
Then?
America,
Okay,
South America,
okay.
Indian Ocean,
Indian Ocean. Continents I'm asking.
the Pacific,
Ah, that is ocean. Continents. Asia, Antarctica, Australia, North America, South America. Then,
Europe,
okay, Europe. Then, 7 continents are there. Which are the other? Yes, come on. What happened, Ali Hassan? Yes, come on. Yes, what can you see on my screen?
teacher, fill in the blanks.
Fill in the blanks. Okay. So, the continents are, repeat with me, Asia,
Asia,
Africa, Australia,
Australia,
North America,
North America,
South America,
South America,
Europe,
South
Africa. Is it over?
Yes.
Okay, now tell me the 7 continents.
Asia,
Hmm,
North America, South
okay.
America,
Okay.
Asia,
Asia you told. You told Asia, North America, South America, then? Three is over. Now, next.
Atlantic,
Antarctica. Then?
Antarctica,
Then? Australia.
Australia,
Then? Europe. What happened, Ali Hassan? Any doubt? Is there any doubt?
yes, teacher.
Yes. Repeat it once again. What happened? See, I will tell you once again. Asia. Okay. Europe. Africa. North America. South America. Antarctica. Australia. Is it clear
Asia.
now? Okay, so repeat it. Repeat it. Tell me the 7 continents.
Asia,
Huh?
Europe, North
Oh.
America, South America,
Antarctica.
Antarctica,
Okay.
Australia, Europe,
Europe you told. Now Australia and Africa is left. Okay. So don't forget, it is an important question. Okay. And Bhavya, are you there? Can you name the 7 continents? Yes, Bhavya, are you there? Okay, I think he's facing some problem. Yes, Bhavya, can you hear me?
Miss, your voice is breaking.
Ali Hassan, can you hear me?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so Bhavya, you do one thing, type the 7 continents in the chat box.
Okay.
Okay, so now tell me which is dash is the largest continent. Bhavya, tell me which is the largest continent?
Asia.
Asia. Yes, very good. So Asia is the largest continent. Now, Ali Hassan, tell me which is the smallest continent? Which is the smallest continent?
Miss, can I?
Yes, Bhavya.
Yes. Australia.
Yes, Australia. Okay. So Asia is the largest continent and Australia is the smallest continent. Okay. So 7 continents are there. Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia. Among these 7 continents, the largest continent is Asia and the smallest continent is Australia. Okay. Now, the next question, ocean water is dash. Ocean water is dash.
Salty.
Salty. Yes, very good. Ocean water is salty. Okay. Now, there are dash oceans. See, those who know the answer, you can answer it. Don't wait for my call. There are
Pacific Ocean.
okay.
Pacific Ocean.
Yes.
Indian Ocean.
Okay. Then Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean. Only 2 oceans are there. Your mic is muted.
Atlantic Ocean.
Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, then
Atlantic Ocean.
Arctic Ocean. Okay, Atlantic Ocean.
Arctic Ocean.
Okay, then Arctic Ocean. Then one more. Which is the one more? Yes, Bhavya. Name the 5 oceans. Name the 5 oceans. Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Southern Ocean. Okay? Clear? Now, Ali Hassan, can you repeat?
Indian Ocean.
Okay.
Pacific Ocean.
Okay.
Arctic Ocean.
Okay.
Northern Ocean.
Southern Ocean.
Southern Ocean.
Okay. Then
Arctic Ocean.
did you okay, okay, Arctic Ocean. Okay, so total how many oceans are there?
5.
5. There are 5 oceans and there are 7 continents. Okay, 5 oceans and 7 continents. Now, next question. The land along the margins of an ocean is called the dash region. The land along the margins of an ocean is called the dash region. See, you might have seen in the margin of the oceans, there are land. Okay. And some people, mostly fishermen, they live or they build house here in this land, on this land, which is the margin of an ocean. So that region is called what? That region is known as mostly Konkan region. These all are these regions. Any idea? Bhavya, any idea? The land along the margin of an ocean is known as dash region. Okay, I will give you option for this in bracket. Mountainous region, rainy region, or coastal region. The land along the margins of which region?
Rainy.
Rainy. Bhavya, do you have any different answer? So that
No.
okay, so such regions are called coastal regions. Okay, such regions are called coastal regions. Okay, the land along the margins of an ocean. जो ओशन के मार्जिन में जो लैंड रहता है, वो लैंड को क्या बोलते हैं? कोस्टल रीजन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कोंकण रीजन. क्लियर? Is it clear?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now, dash are smallest forms of water streams. Dash are smallest forms of water streams.
Pound.
I will give you option.
Pound.
I will give you option. Rills, brooks, river. Rills, brooks, river.
Teacher,
Rills, very good. So rills are the smallest forms of water streams. Okay, rills are the smallest forms of water streams. Agar if the question is like this, options are same and they are asking dash are the largest forms of water streams, then what will you write?
teacher, river.
Very good. River. Rivers are the river is the largest forms of water streams and rills are the smallest forms of water streams. Okay. Now, so till 8th question, is there any confusion, any doubt? Is it okay? Can we go ahead?
Yes.
Okay. So 9th question, a river cascades down a sudden drop to form a dash. A river cascades down a sudden drop to form a dash. Means जब पानी ऊपर से
Cloud.
नीचे गिरता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं?
Teacher, rainy water.
Which water?
Rainy water.
Not from sky. I'm asking from rocks, mountain.
Teacher, valley.
No. Not valley.
A waterfall.
Yes,
Waterfalls.
waterfall. Waterfall is the answer. Okay. A river waterfall. ओके, दैट इज waterfall. कैस्केड मतलब ऐसे रॉक में से सब गिरना, रॉक माउंटेन में से सब गिरना, उसको कैस्केड बोलते हैं. सो ए रिवर कैस्केड्स डाउन ए सडन drop to form a waterfall. Now 10th question, a water body formed by water collecting naturally in a low lying area of land is called a dash. A water body formed by water collecting naturally in a low lying area of land is called a dash. अगर लो लाइंग एरिया में वाटर कलेक्ट हुआ है तो वो वाटर बॉडी, वैसे वो वाटर बॉडी को क्या बोलते हैं? A water body formed by water collecting naturally in a low lying area of land is called a dash. Any idea? Any guess? Okay, I will give you options for that. Your options are oceans, lake, river. So which is
The lakes.
lakes? Very good. So a water body formed by water collecting naturally in a low lying area of land is called a lake. Okay, so the correct answer is lake. Now the 11th question, as we go higher from the earth's surface, the air in the atmosphere becomes dash. As we go higher from the earth's surface, the air in the atmosphere becomes dash.
Very cold.
Very? Okay.
Very cold.
See, I will give you the options. One second. The options are thicker, solid, rarer. Wait, I will write here. Options: thicker, solid, rarer. So when we go higher from the earth's surface, the air in the atmosphere becomes thicker, solid, rarer.
Thicker.
तो जैसे हम अर्थ से ऊपर जाएंगे, जो एयर है वो थिक हो जाएगा या सॉलिड हो. देखो, आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू द मीनिंग. थिकर मतलब एकदम जाड़ा, ओके, जाड़ा हो जाएगा, या सॉलिड हो जाएगा, कड़क हो जाएगा, या रेरर हो जाएगा. रेरर मतलब कम हो जाएगा.
Solid.
आर यू श्योर?
Yes. Rarer.
Rarer. Yes, Bhavya. Are you writing the answers? Okay, so as we go higher from the earth's surface, क्योंकि we know that's why mountainous carry oxygen cylinders. क्योंकि जैसे अर्थ के ऊपर जा रहा है तो एयर कम होता है. Obviously, एयर कम होना मतलब ऑक्सीजन will be less. Okay, so the answer is rarer. Now, the atmosphere consists of a mixture of dash. The atmosphere consists of a mixture of dash.
Water.
Water. Atmosphere means what? It consists of dash. What is present in the atmosphere? Or what is present in air?
Water vapor.
Only water vapor is present.
Not oxygen.
Oxygen, only oxygen.
Oxygen.
Then in the 4th standard you have learnt about this. Our air is consist of oxygen, nitrogen,
And carbon dioxide.
yes, water vapor and other gases. So our atmosphere, it consists of a mixture of what?
Gases.
Very good. It consists of a mixture of gases. Okay, the atmosphere consists of a mixture of gases. So once the class will over, click on the same link to rejoin. Now, almost all the water vapor in the atmosphere is contained in the dash. Almost all the water vapor in the atmosphere is